Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to switch out the old unusable window sash lock or window keeper. I will leave affiliated link for this part in the description box below and any other tools that you might want to use. As you can see, I was having trouble locking the sash and it wasn't working at all, so the best thing to do is just replacing it. It's really easy to take out. You just have to unscrew those two screws for this first part and take it out, and do the same thing for the back window. The part that I found is the closest one to this one, but I will have to drill out some hole because the new one would not align the same way. So I use one of the existing hole for the back one, and I just use the screw to mark it, and then drill out a hole on the back side. And then I did the same thing for the front part, and make sure you align them properly. And at first I just kind of mark it with the drill bit a little bit, and then I went afterward and drill it all the way through. You might have to play with the drill bit until you get a proper size, because if you drill it too small, your screw will not be able to go in, or you will have a hard time screwing them in. And here we go, I'm putting this screw in this existing hole, and the one on the right side go to the new one, and I'm putting the last part in. I feel like this is a really easy project that anybody could do. The only tricky part is drilling the hole. If you don't have any drilling experience, you can practice on a piece of wood until you feel comfortable doing it. And here we go. As you can see, when I lock it, it pulls in the window, so there's no air sucking through. This will be it for the video. Again, I will leave link in the description below for this window sash lock, and also any tools that you might need. Thank you. Have a good one.